Anyone with a car at home must watch this video. If you always have snacks and ashes in your car, try this and take a look at this wireless vacuum cleaner. It has a suction force of up to 150, is small, easy to carry, and has strong power. Strong suction, whether it's debris, pebbles, keyboards, air conditioning intakes, dust, or garbage. It can be easily sucked out along the seams of car seats, and garbage cleaning is only a basic function and can also be used as an air pump. Inflate sofas, vacuum bags, mattresses, and dances, work wirelessly and at high speeds, without dead corners, structurally separated, and easy to clean.